Stepping straight into the strike zone, the bird delivers a quick probing peck at the rattling tail, instantly springing backward to test the waters. Unfazed by the massive serpent, the feathered hunter aggressively pushes its luck, moving back in to strike the snake's biological alarm system a second time. It is a highly dangerous, potentially fatal game of tag. Suddenly, the snake's patience shatters completely. It erupts from the dust in a blur, launching a lethal, venomous strike directly at the bird. But the Roadrunner's reaction time is truly supernatural, effortlessly dodging the deadly fangs by mere fractions of an inch. Realizing that this highly agile bird is much too quick for a simple ambush, the heavy reptile